Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be taking a look at an external USB 3.0 SATA drive enclosure from Sabrent. Sabrent are probably best known for their Rocket line of NVMe SSDs, but among other things they also make a range of external drive enclosures. This one is the EC-UM3W and it's an aluminium USB 3 enclosure for 2.5-inch SATA SSDs and hard drives, which includes a silicone shockproof case to protect against drops or knocks. Inside the box, first we find the enclosure itself, which is made almost entirely of aluminium apart from the ends, which are plastic but painted with a metallic finish to match the rest of the enclosure. Also included in the box is the silicone bumper, which is a very bright white and feels quite substantial, so should offer decent protection. Next, there's a USB cable for connecting the enclosure to your PC. This enclosure unusually uses a Type A connector at both ends, unlike most external enclosures which use a Type B connector at the drive end. There's also a plastic bag containing a tiny screwdriver and 2 Phillips head screws, a warranty card, this drive has a 2-year warranty, and finally a small user guide. To test the enclosure, I used the Western Digital Blue 500GB SATA SSD. Installation is very simple, just attach the drive to the SATA connector on the bridge PCB, then slide both into the housing and install the 2 screws using the included screwdriver. You can then use the drive as it is, or you can fit the bumper around the edge for extra protection, although it does make the drive quite a bit more bulky. With the bumper on, it looks very similar to EC's Rugged External Drive, only in white instead of orange. In Blackmagic Disk speed test, the drive scored around 395 MB per second for write and 420 MB per second for read. When connected internally via SATA, the same drive scores around 400 write and 440 read. So you're getting about 95% of the maximum possible speed of this drive when using the Sabrent enclosure. This is about as fast as you could expect from the USB 3.0 interface. Overall then, this is an enclosure that does its job very well, looks good and comes at an attractive price. I'll put a link to this enclosure down in the video description below. That's it for this video, thanks for watching.